Hey guys, welcome back to Creating Home. My name's Melissa. Thank you so much for joining me again today. We are on our back porch and we're going to be working on a fun little project right underneath this window here. We are going to be creating a scalloped plant ledge to put some potted shade plants on. And I think it'll be a great spot that we can enjoy from our kitchen window and also from our porch. So let's get started. These are some brackets that I had intended to use when we were building our home, and I never actually did. So I'm going to use these brackets for the base of this scalloped plant ledge. These corbels have spots on the top and the bottom to slip this onto a screw, but we've decided to just do the screw to do that and hook it on the top. And then we're gonna actually secure it with, we're gonna pre-drill through here and we're gonna secure it on the outside just to make that a little stronger. And I was thinking maybe we would just rip this board down. We have cut a piece of board 2 1/8 inches wide by the length that we need and for the sides. And now we're going to cut the length of the front and start the scallop detail. Let's find the middle of this piece of board. 94 3/4, 47. I just put a little line on the pot. It really didn't matter where. And I'm going to line it up with the line in the middle of my board, like that. So it comes down to the bottom. I wonder how much I need to overlap it. I think 1/2 inch. Then let's just see what this looks like. The bottom needs to be flush. Go here. That should work. And then 1/2 inch. And so we're going to cut out these sections. I'm gonna use this sample of paint that I have, and this was a Benjamin Moore color, and it's called Smoke, and it's just a really soft kind of French blue. So I'm gonna see if I like this, and if I don't, then I'm just gonna go back and do the trim color. So we'll see what we think. I don't think that's gonna work. So we're gonna go back in with Shoji White, and I'm gonna start with the corbels since the top part is damp. Okay, we have finished our scalloped plant ledge here behind me. I got it all painted, and it's time to pot up some pretty shade plants to finish off this look. So I picked up these Better Homes and Gardens brand pots sometime last year in the fall, winter. And this is called the Fiore 8-inch planter. And I picked up 5 of these for a great deal, and also the matching saucer. So this is what I'm going to be planting in today. And also from Walmart, I picked up these Better Homes and Gardens begonias, and this is a pink double variety. It's really pretty. And it was only $4.97, and this will take sun or shade all day, so this is perfect. And I also from Walmart grabbed this Better Homes and Gardens Coleus, and it is a green-yellow variety for $7.88. This is also for sun or shade all day. And there are a couple plants inside of this one, so I'm going to divide this. Now, I also went to my local independent garden center, and I got this Miss Muffet Caladium. This is for sun or shade, and there are several plants in here that I am probably going to divide again. And I thought this was a really nice plant to kind of tie together the colors of our Coleus and our begonia. And then the last element I'm planning to use, the last or second to last, is this Glacier Ivy. So I think this is going to make a really pretty combination. Now, if there's room, I might use this Irish moss too. So we'll just see. Let's get planting. Okay guys, I'm all done with this project and I really like how this scalloped plant ledge turned out. It took a little time creating that scallop for sure. That was probably the most detailed, time-consuming part, but I really like how it turned out and I'm going to enjoy this for years to come. I like how this is potted up right now with these shade plants and all of these similar or the same containers, but I think this would also look great with a variety of different kinds of pots, and I might try that in the future. So this leaves a lot of opportunity to change it up and to decorate out here and to change with the seasons and all of that. So I hope that you enjoyed this, and thanks so much for watching. I also just want to say a huge thank you for all of the views and new subscribers that I got from the last couple of videos. I'm really thankful for that, and it's exciting. It brings me a lot of joy just to share my creativity and just love of designing and creating things, and hopefully infusing some beauty into the spaces around our garden and our home. So thank you so much.